just turning around, people turning around and stuff like that. 4 people on here. Maybe so no. Yeah. Falling down now. It's me. I'm back here around. That's what I normally do every day. Well, let's try to do it every day. Try to go live every day, but sometimes I won't be able to because of people. Hope you're enjoying this beautiful Thursday evening. A beautiful evening today. Wow. I'm going freight right now. All the way, well, not all the way freight, but pop freight. I got my sunglasses. Good. See? Coming. Won't get hit by no cars. Yeah, I'm just out here right now. Enjoying this beautiful day. Going freight because of mud, too much mud that way. Too much mud that way. I don't want to do it that mud. You know what I'm saying. My favorite milk, Oak Farms. Right there. Yep. I'm fine. Oh man. Hang on. The stupid tree branch got stuck in my front wheel. Oh. Hang on. My nose running. It's kind of cool out here. Slow down because the stupid tree branches right here above me. See? Careful. You won't get hit in the face. Before got hit in the face with them, and then it felt good. And it did not feel good when I got hit in the face with them tree branches. I'm trying to sweat over here. Put these on, sunglasses, you know. And pull these out. Pull it out. There. Put these on. Put this on. I mean, I see a white Tesla right now in front of me. So at the top side, I see, but I don't really care.